What's up everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs and I am super excited about 2022. If you go through, I mean, we got all kinds of cool stuff we are going to be building this year, but you know, I can't thank you enough for all the cool stuff we did in 2021. So in this video, let's take a look back in time at 2021 and all the cool stuff we built here at WeldTec Designs. Let's go. Finally convinced her, let's do a Transit. I can make this thing awesome. There's so many things that I want to do to this van. Boy, what a difference a little bit of window tint makes on it. You can't even see what's inside. Wait a second, they multiply. They're like gremlins. All right, guys, an E450. This thing is awesome. Sunseeker by Forest River. I don't recommend it. I'm just not a fan. That's just my opinion. And if you don't like it, I'm sorry. This is a Nissan NV. This is a 2021. Man, this thing is just brand new. I may have a new favorite van. A 3-inch lift spindle now available from WeldTec Designs. I want to show you something just super simple, and there it is right there, guys. And what that is that door hook, and then we're going to open it and it's going to hook onto the door, or right there onto the fender. We have installed some ARB components in this really handy dandy hose reel, and you can buy these on Amazon. My air nozzle, and I can put it on here. And now I could just pull this out to whatever tire I want to go and fill up. Guys, after a long road trip and fun LA traffic, we are at the one and only King Shop. Today, it's time to turn the key fob over to somebody else. Somebody else has purchased Velocis and it's going to be heading to its new home in Texas. I guess let's enjoy these last few moments together. Look, it's gonna be okay. you're going to a good home. I guess Velocis keys are yours.
I wanna know, where did we go wrong? Could we ever change this song?
All right, I got vans to build. Let's go. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we are going to jump into a new build here at WeldTec Designs. Perhaps maybe it's our SEMA 2021 build. What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Behind me, we have this awesome Nissan NV 3500, and this is brand new with 504 miles on it. Alright guys, so this is what's up today. We have the WeldTec crew here. We're gonna hit the road, we're gonna go have some fun. We have 4 awesome vehicles behind us that we are going to take with us. We are working away on our SEMA van. Today we are at the Overland experience here at SEMA 2021. This is a Ford E450. This is a 31-foot Jayhawk Graco. So the first upgrade that I want to talk about that is done in this is going to be the Roadmaster sway bar. We know that shocks are a very crucial part in getting any RV to really ride nice. This is going to be a 6-inch lift kit. So the benefit in this lift kit is we're going to give you a lot more ground clearance, because even with this lift kit, they put the wheels on there, and I still even drag the wheels with the lift kit on. I can only imagine what this was like before there was any lift kit on it. It had to be really, really bad. All right, guys, what's up? Finally, we are out of the parking lot again, and we went even farther today. We are all the way in Utah. What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. I got a killer RV behind me. We did a ton of stuff to it. This thing is awesome and giant and looks amazing. Let's go have some Chevy Express fun. Seen our SEMA build, you've seen the posts about it, you've seen some of the videos leading up to it. Well, now we are going to have some fun. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I sure had fun making all of these videos throughout 2021 and look forward to making a ton more content in 2022. However, I would love your guys' help. If there's anything that you guys would like us to see a video being made of, just let us know, comment down below. And as for our SEMA build, that was a lot of fun, but this build is far from over. There's still a ton of stuff I want to do to the inside and outside of this, including I think the next thing is going to be a programmer and some gears. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm Jeremy. I got to get back to work. See you guys later.